Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. You can contact me for downloading and installing S4 HANA 1809, 1909 and 2021 on VMware with lifetime validity and Fiori in it. You can see this is S4 HANA 2021 already uploaded in my Google Drive. This is S4 HANA 2021 with lifetime validity and Fiori in it. This is S4 HANA 1909 with lifetime validity and Fiori in it. Already uploaded in my Google Drive. And this is S4 HANA 1809 with lifetime validity and Fiori in it. Already uploaded in Google Drive. This is the application part and this is the HANA database of 1809. You can contact me for downloading any of this S4 HANA 1809, S4 HANA 1909 and S4 HANA 2021. Quickly contact me. You can also contact me for downloading and installing SAP IDES ECC EHP8 with lifetime validity with master data with Fiori in it. It also has the ABAP developer key in it for ABAP programming. Quickly contact me for downloading and installing ECC6 and S4 HANA on your computer on the server. Thank you for watching the video.